Hi, my name is Miss Sheena.
And I'm Miss Taylor, and we are students here at Coastal Carolina Community College, and we are in our dental hygiene clinic. Okay, so have any of y'all ever been to the dentist before? No? Okay, well, does anybody have an idea of who the first person you might meet at the dentist is?
The first person you will meet at a dentist will be the receptionist. Her job is to check you in and to make sure you're not sick for the appointment. She will definitely use a temperature gauge, and that temperature gauge will determine if you are sick and able to stay. Now, when you get the all clear, she will notify the dentist hygienist, which are us, that you are ready to be seen, and we will call you back. So we are going to go call our patient back.
All right, follow us. All right, so just to show you what it might look like, this is our receptionist, Mrs. Jones. She's sitting behind her desk, and like we already said, her job is to let us know that you're here and that you're all okay to be seen today. So we're gonna get our patient now. This is Autumn. Okay, so do you wanna follow us? All right, come on.
Hi, Autumn. My name is Sheena, and I will be checking your teeth today. Okay? So the first thing we typically do for our patient is go ahead and have a seat for me.
In our big comfy chair.
Right, and then we just make sure they're secure. What we also do during that time is we give them a bib so they won't waste anything, as well as some mouthwash. So with that, do this. Let's take that around. And while the person is swishing all the way around inside the mouth, we're gonna put our barriers on. Now we typically will have more on, so don't think we're creepy, but we have to do it for safety, okay?
What these silly outfits do is they just protect you and they protect us. Because we don't want to get spit on each other, right? Ew.
So I am going to wash my hands before providing any solution. And then I'm going to put the gloves on, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put these glasses on. And I'm going to put some hand sanitizer on because I just touched my face. Okay. So I'm going to name some of the instruments that we currently use for our patient. And some of them, before I get our patient all the way done, is I will move Mr. Sunshine. He is basically light that we use to see inside of the mouth. So when the patient opens up really big, we can see everything that is there. This right here is called Mr. Suction, right? He sucks up all of the water that we have inside of the mouth. This right here is a mirror, so when I go inside of the mouth, it will make sure it illuminates anything that I see. So can you see the reflection from the mirror? That's what occurs inside of the mouth. And then we have the larger one. It's white in color, and we call this Mr.
He's really thirsty.
Yes.
He's
like
extra
definitely
thirsty.
Mr. Thirsty. So these are some of the equipment that which we will use, as well as to check to see if your teeth are sound. After we check to see if your teeth are sound, as well as to determine if it's good for you to clean, you might get to see a dentist. If you do see a dentist, he might refer x-rays, but that's something to discuss later. After we check your teeth and we verify, do you know any other reasons you would have an exam? No? Just in case if you have any cavities. What we want to do is make sure that your teeth are able to chew down on food and you can talk with it.
All right, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but I came in and I gave our patient here, Autumn, her safety glasses. So when you go to the dentist, we might ask you to go ahead and put these on. we're gonna have you put them on before we go back. Now, Miss Sheena has all of her correct protective barriers on, but since I'm just gonna show you really quick what it looks like, I'm not gonna put all the my silly stuff on. So, what we're gonna do is you will be sitting here and we'll be here, and we're gonna go ahead and just lean you back in the big comfy chair. You're gonna be laying down like you're gonna take a nap. That's fun, huh? It's kind of like a roller coaster. Okay. So then, once we have our patient all laid back and she's got her safety glasses on, we're gonna get our sunshine here. See how bright this is? And we're gonna take our sunshine and we're gonna have you open wide, and we're gonna point our sunshine right into your mouth. And then once we do that,
Would you like me to step in and do it?
yeah, actually, we're gonna have Miss Sheena do this because she has all of her PPE, her protective equipment on. So she's gonna sit down and count the teeth.
So remember the instrument where I said it'll make sure it's sound? So what we would like to do is...
Sound just means that your teeth are nice and healthy.
Thank you. So this instrument is just going over just to verify if it's healthy and good. Can you see?
Does that
Yes.
tickle?
Make sure. Are you good? And we'll always verify to make sure you're good. Okay. And what that's doing is making sure that you have healthy gums. And if it's any problems, we would definitely let them know, as well as we would use this. This is basically a suction tube. This would suction out any water that which we have. This would also do air and water. So Mr. Air and Water will clear anything out.
And that's really basically it, right?
Yes, that's really the
That
whole
wasn't
process.
so bad, was it?
No, that was easy peasy.
Did you have fun?
Yes, so much fun.
Okay, you're going on the roller coaster again.
We're gonna lift you all the way up. And after we're done with this, we will walk our patient out of the room and tell them when the next time to visit.
Yep.
Do you have any questions or concerns with us?
No.
Awesome. Thanks and bye.
Bye, guys.